Guns first, guns first.
Here, let's see this. I gotta get video of this thing. Let me take a look at
I
this.
cannot.
Alright, let's see it.
Let's see the balut.
Balut. Oh,
Okay.
I wanna.
Oh, wait. I will go grab that.
This is a Filipino delicacy.
Yellow part. It's balik. Wait.
Oh my God!
It's not yet open. Come on. It's open. It's
Balut.
You know this?
Oh my God.
I cannot eat the. Okay.
You're not done. You gotta crush the bone.
Hey. Oh my God, Alfie, come here.
You gotta crush up them bones.
Oh my God.
You can try the yellow part. Okay. Yeah, I can eat that, but no, then no. You'll eat it. No, Tara! Look at my hand. She will just eat the yellow part, and who will continue with Alfie. Where's my chicken?
Oh my goodness gracious!
Where's the ice?
Come here.
Yummy. Yummy, but it's yummy.
Where's the ice?
Yummy, but it's
This is the hard
yummy.
part. This is the hard part. You have to eat that?
No.
Yes, you can eat that.
I don't like chicken.
Come here. Salt. You need salt?
I don't like chicken.
Salt.
Look at the
No, you gotta eat it all.
That's the hair. It's small.
Breakfast of champions.
What do you have?
Follow it home.
Ayani will eat the seeds. Come on, Ayani. The yellow part. Finish the yellow part. Because I'm hungry, that's why. Go get the yellow part.
She's hungry. She's about to go to town on the birds.
For the sake of my stomach.
How old is this duck?
Is
it a duck or is it a...
Go get the yellow part. Go get the yellow part. You have to show them the chicken. Ew! Look at chicken. Soup first. Soup first. No,
Go ahead. Go right ahead.
Don't eat yet. Soup first. Okay, then show them.
There we go.
Okay, go get the yellow part. Another yellow part. Yeah. Show them the chick. Break it apart. Break it apart. Can you break it apart? No. Break it apart. Break it apart.
You are so...
Open it. Open it. Ayani's gonna eat it.
What is that part? Oh, man. You okay, Jake? Go, Ayani.
Okay, ready?
Go, Ayani. Go, Ayani. Go, Ayani.
You got it, Ayani.
You got it.
Go. 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 Oh.
You need the soup. You need the soup.
So, how is it? Oh, no.
He is a soldier.
Yeah.